Hi and welcome to another episode of Mission Control. Today we're going to have a look at GPS, the Global Positioning System. The word itself refers to the fact that we live on a globe, but since we also live in a time where idiots have been given a voice on the internet, there's a lot of correction that needs to be done. I remember when flat earthers went on a tour in Europe. They used the GPS to get around, yet their agenda was to discredit everything the GPS relied on. That's kind of like biting the hand that feeds you. Flat earthers are not allowed to believe in satellites, so they have to think that the positioning system is based on aeronautical devices, such as balloons or ground-based towers. Having worked with GPS surveying myself for more than 5 years, I can personally tell you that satellites are real. One of the problems I often encountered was having to wait for a sufficient amount of satellites to be visible for the receiver. When the number of satellites were high, the equipment I worked with was able to pinpoint a location the size of a dime, whereas most consumer devices only have a 3-meter accuracy. USA, China, Russia, and the European Union all have satellites in orbit, and together they provide the world with a global navigation satellite system called GNSS. That's 89 satellites constantly orbiting the Earth while transmitting radio signals. These signals are used to calculate the position of the receiver. You can actually buy GPS receiver modules and write your own code to extract the signals and process the raw data from the satellites. If you are familiar with Arduino, there's a library called Tiny GPS that you can download and use for extracting the data and calculating your position. All the calculations are based on a spherical Earth, so if you don't want to have your flat Earth bubble burst, don't look into this. It's an absolute proof that the Earth is a sphere and satellites are real. I believe this was another safe landing for the Globe team, and I'll be seeing you at the next launch. Bye.